Speaker sir, I rise to speak on the calling attention by on the Speaker sir. Kityak ghost airport जावपाक शकता? Because at that time I said that it was as per International Civil Aviation Organization that Vijay stated about ICAO. It was stated in the year in 1999 that two airports feasibility ना म्हणून. त्या वेळार there is a letter in the year 2000 written to the Chief Secretary, and that the closure of existing airport of Goa for civil operations or commissioning of new airport. आहा तो एअरपोर्ट बंद जातलो म्हणून फिजिबिलिटी ना. त्या वेळार जे बाब दिगंबर कामतान जे उल्लेख केलो 2010 एक लेटर जेन्ना काँग्रेस सरकार आशिल्लो त्या वेळार एक लेटर दिल्ली की ऑपरेशन्स बंद करपा नाय म्हणून. Many times we use that the infrastructure at the airport, expanding infrastructure. We have expanded, we have spent 500 crores, 700 crores to increase this aero bridge population. And who's doing this manipulation? Speaker sir, it is the need of the hour ki dual existence जावपाक जाय. सगळ्यांक खबर आहा.
Yes.
आनी जे मुखेलमंत्री कडेन आमी सगळे मागता की it is not about north and south, but it is about the people of Goa.
Yes.
तुवें एक पत्र बरोवचें and get a reply from them that both these letters, otherwise take a delegation. आतां 8 जांच्यान गेले मायकल लोबो बाब सांगता की विजय समज थिंग गेले जाल्यार जातलें काय, म्हाका तरी दिसना विजय सायडीन येतलो म्हणून. 8 जाण गेले ते गेले ते विसरले आनी पयर गेल्ले मरे. सो रिक्वेस्ट बरें आरे डेलिगेशन घेवन ते आहाय एकठांय आहाय आमी आमी येनाय तेशी गेले तांकां जालो धोका जाला. स्पीकर सर, तर हांव मागता की हे मुखेलमंत्रीन आमकां एक अश्युरन्स दिचें and take head a delegation. Let it be clear why this Air India is no longer a private entity. Who's going to run it? Runs by economics. So it is not feasible. How I had said last time, come as Vijay said, there has to be a flight management plan. एक प्लेन आसपाक जाय of dual existence.